Step 1. Select YouTube video. Step 2. Paste the copied YouTube link into the box. Step 3. Click the button and wait in seconds. Once it's ready, the content will appear below. You can read the transcript here. You can also copy, download, or translate these texts. In addition to the full transcript, you can also choose to display the text in chapter format. Here is also a summary of the video. You can copy and translate. A mind map will also be generated for you at the same time. You can choose to enlarge, download, or translate.